everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very fun video. I'm gonna be getting ready for my birthday dinner. Today is my birthday. I am 24 years old. I can't believe it. But it is my birthday, so we're gonna be going out to dinner and then to get drinks afterward, and I wanna do a makeup look that is very glam. So let's just go ahead and get started. Thank you so much to my grandma and grandpa for getting me this new camera for Christmas. It is a Sony a5100 and I have it set up here. I can actually see myself and I am not using my phone, which I'm like, I'm just so happy. So thank you so much to Grandma and Grandpa. I'm gonna be doing my eyes first today, and I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. If you see a glow right here, I have a mirror right here. You can kind of see it. But that's what that is. For the crease, I'm gonna use a little bit of Pukey. It's a really gross name, but it's an amazing color. So I'm gonna use Pukey and then maybe like a couple of these down here. I'm just gonna kind of mix them all. I forgot to prime my eyelids, so I'm gonna do that real fast. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Pale White. Just kidding, it's in the color 15. So as you can probably tell, my background is different. Right now I'm actually visiting my mom and my brother in Arizona. So that's why I am not in front of my traditional background. Okay, I'm not going to set my eyelids because I want this to be super pigmented. And because I didn't do my face first, I can kind of just go in like haphazardly and not really have to worry about it being super precise, because we're just gonna clean it up with concealer after we're done. What if I should get closer? Okay, so I zoomed in a little bit. That might be a little bit easier. I didn't have the luxury of zooming in with my iPhone, so it's really cool that I actually get to do that now. And I think I'm gonna flick out my eyeshadow a little bit. By the way, I'm using the Morphe M433. This is a natural hairbrush, so it picks up a lot of pigment. I'm gonna blend this out. So I'm just gonna take some of those darker colors and use a smaller brush and pack that on the inner and outer corner. I usually always set my eyelids, so it's really interesting to not do that. And I'm just kind of connecting that at the top. This isn't gonna really matter, but I want it to look pretty like cohesive. By the way, my hair is not greasy, it's just wet. I am gonna be curling my hair, so you'll see my hair done and everything. And that'll be at the end of this video. So stay tuned for that. I don't know why I'm speaking in a country accent today. Okay, again, winging out the edge. I found that the trick to super blended eyeshadow is having a really light hand with it. Because if you have too heavy of a hand, it's gonna look patchy. It's not gonna blend as well as you'd like. So just have a super light hand and you'll be good to go. That's what we're looking at. Wow, this camera makes me look like I have no pores. I do have pores. So now I'm gonna take, to deepen up the inner and outer corner, I'm gonna take this like small Eco Tools brush and dip into the super dark brown. And I'm gonna pack that on the inner and outer corner. I'm gonna blend it with the M514. All right, so now for the super scary part, I'm gonna take the concealer on the back of my hand and just like that, and I'm gonna load up my concealer brush with the concealer. This is actually a flat like eyeshadow brush, but I'm gonna make basically like a spotlight cut crease with this. And I'm gonna go a little bit higher than I usually would, because I want you to be able to see it with my eyes open. So here I'm just gonna make a little line and then drag it down. Hello, airplane. Something like that shape. Also, if you are seeing this right now, it means that I have a new laptop. So I just want to give a shout out to my mom and my dad and my stepmom for contributing towards my new laptop. I don't have it yet, but I will be getting it really soon. And like I said, if you're seeing this right now, it means that I have gotten it. So I just wanted to say thank you to all of you for that. And I am just so excited to get my new computer. I cannot wait. And I especially can't wait to edit on it. I know it looks insane right now, but it's all gonna come together. So I'm gonna take my clean finger and tap that out carefully. And then I'll go in with a different clean finger and tap out the edges. All right, so we have the spotlight part down. First, I'm gonna put down the shade. I think this is the shade Beam, I think. So I'm gonna put that shade down where we put the concealer. So I'm gonna put that on, and then we're gonna cover it in glitter in a second, but I wanted to put something down first so that the glitter has something to cling on to. Just carefully tap over the edges to make it look like it's a seamless blend, because you don't want to have that stark line there. So if you just go over it with eyeshadow, it kind of lessens the edge. This technique is super popular, like everyone does this, but I'd actually never done a spotlight cut crease before. So now I'm gonna take the Stila Magnificent Metals and the color Diamond Dust. Let me just swatch this for you, because holy moly. Oh my God, it is stunning. So I'm gonna put this on top of that. Oh my God, it's so pretty. And I'm only gonna put it in the center because I'm gonna move it around. So then I'm gonna take a clean brush and kind of move it where you want it to be while it's still wet. Because once it's dry, it ain't moving. Take the M514 again, dip into the dark brown, and then just go over the edges. It looks a little crazy right now, but as soon as you get lashes and everything else on, it's gonna look really, really good. So I am going to move on to the face now. So that's the top of the eyes. I think they are super fun and very, very glam. So we're gonna go ahead and use my tried and true foundation, L'Oreal Pro Glow, of course, and my Miracle Complexion Sponge by Real Techniques. And we're just gonna put this on. Okay, so my camera turned off, it overheated, but I just did my face. I did the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation, and then I did the Fit Me Maybelline concealer, and then I set my face with the Bare Minerals original foundation in the color Fair. I really like this. And then I just did my eyebrows. So now let's move on to the face. So I'm gonna use my Shade and Light palette, of course, and then the color Subconscious. I'm gonna be bringing it up a little bit higher because I tend to like that look better. It just makes my face look a little bit skinnier. For blush, I'm gonna be using my mom's blush. This is the Tarte blush in Blushing Bride. I'm gonna push this into the contour, because if I put it here, it makes my face look a little bit too round. So I just put it over here. I kind of keep it in the back. And to highlight, what am I gonna use today? In my BoxyCharm this month, I got this Protégé eyeshadow palette. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's really pretty. So it's called Era. I'll show you again. It looks to be really pretty. So I think I'm gonna try to use that as highlighter. And let's even see if this is a highlighter. It might just be an eyeshadow. I'm not really sure. Let's see. I don't really like this, but I have to do it to the other side now. I think I'm gonna use the other one that I have. Instead, I'm gonna go in with In Light from Jacqueline's palette, because I know that this is pretty as a highlight. And I want my highlight to be like poppin' tonight, so. I think I'm allowed to have a lot of highlight tonight since it's my birthday. I'm gonna do a little bit above my eyebrow, my nose. Don't forget the nose highlight. Don't do it. Cupid's bow. Do that on my brow bone. Okay, so now let's go ahead and focus on the lower lash line. Y'all know it's my favorite part. So I think first I'm gonna go in with the M514 and dip into all of the crease colors that we used, and then just run that underneath. And of course, I really want my lower lash line to be super smoky. So I'm just gonna bring it down kind of far. And I'm gonna connect it on the outer corner. So I'm gonna dip into the dark brown, which was mocha. And we're gonna stamp that on the lower lash. And then blend it. Don't go all the way to the inner corner though, because it tends to make your eyes look a little bit smaller if you do that. Unless you like that look, then you can do it, but I just like to take the darker colors on the outer corners. Let me go ahead and throw on some eyeliner, just on the waterline. For my eyeliner, I'm gonna use the NYX Jumbo eye pencil in the color Black Bean. Yeah. Okay, so I am actually going to stop here. I'm gonna go do my hair, and then I will be back with my eyelashes on and my hair done and everything. I was gonna put my eyelashes on right now, but my eyelashes are very heavy and I don't really wanna wear them for any longer than I really have to, because they are really heavy. So I'm gonna do my hair and then finish my eyes, and then I will be back. All right, so this is the finished look. I curled my hair. I also finished my eyes. I put some glitter on the inner corner there, and then I put a nude lip gloss on. I think it turned out really great. I feel super glam, and I'm super excited to go out tonight for my birthday. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload videos all the time. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you on my next one. What am I doing? So I'm gonna pert that. So let me go ahead and zoom out. Oh, wrong way. I did L'Oreal Pro Glow. Oh, my eyes are so dry. Okay. My stomach is growling. That'll go in the blooper reel.